Well, we got a new vehicle in, and as you can see, it's not a Tesla. It's a Rivian R1T. Everything is black. Wondering why? Because I'm updating this vehicle. So I figured what better time than now to do our first unboxing from our friends at T-Wraps. Brand new item for the Rivian R1T. Actually, I believe this item's been out for a while, but it's new to me. This is my first Rivian. So in any case, what it is, great packaging, by the way. First and foremost, before we unbox it, this is a metal, I should say, magnetic area. It does come with some tape. I took the tape off, but it is magnetic. And got a nice message in here. And extremely nice packaging from them in this felt box. And what it is a charging cable for the Rivian R1T. All right, I needed both hands to open that up. But what it is a little platform that sits where the original charging mechanism is, which is right here. And this absolutely sucks. You put your phone on it, it'll fly away. How this made it through quality control is beyond me, because it just slips. I mean, it is a grippy mat, but your phone just slips and you hit the brakes, it's gonna fly up here, could damage the screen, who knows. So with this, it uses MagSafe technology. As you can see, there's two spots. You send that into the center console right over here, which we can't open up because we are updating, because it is magnetic. Let's get through this update and then we'll go ahead and open that. All right, so we fit the piece in. In order to do that, go ahead and open up your drawer and use the slots here to guide the wire, and then it just uses one plug to go into the to the outlet back here, to the USB-C outlet. Very easy, just plug it in, good to go, and you're good right there. So the next thing is, this thing kind of flops around a little bit, and I mean, it's just a 3D printed thing with some Qi chargers in it, and just sits there. So what I suggest doing is going to your local Staples or whatnot and purchasing some Velcro tabs, and go ahead and just Velcro it here. It'll raise it up a little bit, I'd assume, but just go ahead and Velcro it to the back here, as well as right here. It won't leave any residue behind if you remove it, and it'll be good to go. And that's about that. The reason why I say to do that is because it will flop around, and these magnets with a magback case, it's strong, and when you go to lift it up, it'll come up every time. So let's go ahead and put this Velcro on and test it out. All right, it's in there installed, and it does come up a little bit, which is fine. I do think after the sun gets to it and it kind of adheres a little better, it'll be fine. We'll close this up. Looks great. As these tabs say, don't throw your keys on it or whatnot. Kind of self-explanatory there. Don't think it'll electrocute you, but that'd be fun. In any case, thanks to our friends at T-Wraps for giving us this product. Wonderful, wonderful addition to the Rivian R1T. Great first little project here. Easy to install. Head over to T-Wraps. Use my code JTheDev at checkout. Save some money for your entire cart. All right, on to the next one. Also, something else that T-Wraps sent us for the R1T and R1S is this nice 3D printed center console storage tray, which works out perfectly. It is a bottomless cavern in here that could just turn into a lot of junk. With this over here, you'll get a spot that kind of makes it into a nice little tray for all your things. Right now we got a receipt from Staples. Great spot in Mystic, Connecticut to get some food. Pasta fresca and padina. Sandwich Club. Got some keys, got a pen, got some open storage right here. These are removable too as well if you just want to have too big storage, or just two-thirds, whatnot. But as shown, just slide it in. It fits over, cut out perfectly to fit the wires for the charging pad. Another great product. Gotta love T-Wraps. All right, so that concludes this video. Something real simple and easy. These two Qi chargers that are MagSafe are great. Again, I just used some Velcro tape, put a couple right here, put a couple right here, and it's staying in there great. It is Velcro, so it'll pull off real easy. Thank you, T-Wraps. Go to their website, use code JTheDev at checkout, and get this awesome little Qi charger and center console organizer for your R1T or R1S. Thank you, and have a great day.